In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can activate MobiMatter eSIM. So first of all, you need to head over to their website, or you can also download their mobile application and make sure to purchase your eSIM. Now once you purchase a specific plan or eSIM, you will going to receive it in My eSIM section, which you can simply click on it and you will gonna receive a QR code, or you can also do it manually. Otherwise, click on settings or gear icon of your mobile settings, and then you need to head over to the cellular or mobile data. Once you are in, you just need to click on add eSIM. In my case it is set up mobile, but in yours it is going to be add eSIM. Now this is going to open up a new window where you will have two options. So we are going for the use QR code method, so simply click there, and now you need to simply scan the QR code that is in your MobiMatter application or onto their website, or if you have received onto your email address, you just need to scan the QR code. And now you need to simply click on the continue in order to activate your eSIM, and it is going to take few minutes. Once you have activated your eSIM, it's now time to add your cellular plan labels. Now by default it is going to select secondary or any other name that is your eSIM. Let's say MobiMatter in this case, so it is going to be selected MobiMatter. You can simply click on it and then you can select any one of these names, or you can also add your own label. Otherwise, click on continue on the bottom. Make sure to select primary and then click on continue. As for the iMessages and FaceTime, make sure to select primary again and then click on continue. Now at the end, make sure to select the secondary or any other name that you have selected. Make sure allow cellular data switching is toggle off and then click on done button. Now once you are done, you can now simply open up your settings, and then you just need to head over to cellular and mobile, and in here you need to simply click on the cellular data on the top of your screen and make sure that the data roaming is toggle on, and your eSIM will be successfully activated onto your mobile device. So that's the way of how you can activate MobiMatter eSIM.